hate us if you start liking Android more than iPhone or vice versa by the end of the video. Here at Tweak Library, we aren't biased towards either of the platforms, but certainly we like to explain the nitty-gritties of both operating systems and what makes Android users hooked to Android and iOS users to iPhone. So without any further ado, in this Tweak Friday video, let us talk about both the latest Android 12 and iOS 15 and which one is better. Hey guys, this is Shivani and welcome to another episode of Tweak Friday, where I explain the noteworthy differences between iOS 15 and Android 12. Officially announced on May 18, 2021, Android 12 is recently released and is available to use for the Google Pixel users, while iOS 15 was released on September 20th, 2021, and its minor updates are also released. With that being said, let us learn more about both operating systems. Personalization. In this area, Google has played smartly. From layout to wallpaper changes, Android 12 adapts to everything. It allows customizing the notifications panel and gives complete control to the user, while iOS 15 with the help of widgets does give some degree of customizability but not like Android. Android 12 has undergone major appearance changes in terms of the material theme. In short, the winner is Android 12. Fluidity and app consistency. In this area, both Android 12 and iOS 15 are neck and neck. Just like iOS 15, Android 12 is also polished with a new look and refreshed feel. Stock Android apps like the calculator, settings menu, privacy, and game dashboards, etc. come with rounded corners and a pie chart-like display of various stats. iOS 15 gets a new look for Safari with a bottom address bar, refined notifications, and an intuitive app library. Updates. With all iPhones getting 5 years of updates, Google is only offering 3 major Android updates for Pixel users. Though we expected something better from Google, sadly we aren't getting anything for 3 years. Alongside updates, Apple also wins in terms of consistency. iOS 15 is rolled out for all supported Apple devices at once. However, Android 12 users will have to wait for the OEM to provide the update, and that may take months. Openness and inclusiveness. If we skip talking about the nature of both platforms, then the comparison is incomplete. Where Android 12 is trying to make third-party app stores more accessible, Apple is strictly against side-holding. However, when it comes to privacy, Apple is superior and is good at fending off scams and poorly built apps, while Android hosts a plethora of apps and there is no guarantee of safety. Gaming. For game lovers, Android 12 gives a new play as you download feature that will let you play games while game assets download in the background. Furthermore, Google added features like quick toggles in its game dashboard that allows taking screenshot and toggle DND. On iOS 15 for gamers, things end with the games available in the App Store and the Apple Arcade section. The only perk you get is that you can play arcade games on your Mac and iPad as well, and that's it. Preloaded apps. This one again is a bit complex as Android 12 is stock and Google doesn't get to decide on preloaded apps, while iOS 15 lets you delete whatever you want to, but Android 12 won't let you kick out all the preloaded apps. Siri versus Google Assistant. This one is a topic of serious discussion. However, in simple words, Google Assistant is better. We won't say Siri is bad, but Google Assistant on Android 12 is more intuitive and versatile. If you have a smart home setup, Google Assistant is better, while Siri has certain limitations with what you can do with the phone. Privacy. For the first time, Android 12 and iOS 15 are equal in terms of privacy features. To perform a privacy checkup, control app permissions, and reset privacy preferences, Google has introduced a privacy dashboard with Android 12. On the other hand, iOS 15 privacy features not only offer control over what apps they see, but they can also hide email ID while signing up for apps, limit receiving emails from developers, and even remove trackers from their mail. Digital well-being. With work from home situations and increased screen load, we have new problems like Zoom fatigue. So digital well-being helps control screen time. In iOS 15, Apple offers features like Focus and Do Not Disturb for a better experience. Ecosystem. While Android 12 has less to do with this, Android apps on Windows make Android plus Windows a good combination. iOS 15 also offers an ecosystem experience. Unless all your devices are made by Apple, there is really no ecosystem unless you create one. With this, we can say Google's Android and Apple's iOS have their own perks and drawbacks. It completely depends on the user which operating system they prefer. If you are looking for customizability, Android is better. However, from the security and privacy point of view, iOS is the clear winner. Android is versatile while iOS is still trying to adapt to the changing scenario. Apple promises 5 years of iOS updates and they run pretty smoothly thanks to the hardware-software integration. With Android 12, we expected Google to follow a similar path in the future, but that would only be possible for the Pixel lineup. In a nutshell, if you compare, you will find both operating systems almost at par. But this is a subjective matter. Android is superior for gamers, iOS offers a consistent experience across the board. So if you are confused between Android and iOS, I would say go through the video again and decide on what you need out of an operating system. Which one do you think is better? Let us know in the comments. It is the last Week Friday video of the year. We will meet with another exciting episode in the new year. Till then, take care and stay safe.